Hi, greetings from Bangladesh. I'm very happy to hear that BASUG is organizing this big seminar in Netherlands on the subject of women, future in Bangladesh. Actually, women is the future of Bangladesh. They have shown it very strongly, very clearly how they can change Bangladesh. Bangladesh has changed a lot over years because of the changes that have taken place among the women. Tremendous changes have taken place in Bangladesh because of women. Women brought these changes so dramatically in Bangladesh. 20 years back, the women empowerment was were very low level. Now it has dramatically changed. This is one accomplishment Bangladesh can show, that the women empowerment really has taken place in Bangladesh. And impact is so visible, so clear. Birth rate has gone down because of the women empowerment, basically for women empowerment. Fertility rate used to be 6.7 some 20 years back. Today is 3.5. So you can see how far fertility rate has gone down. It has impacted on the longevity of women. Bangladesh was one country where longevity of women was shorter than men, which is very unusual globally. So now they have regained. The women longevity has gone up above the longevity of men, which is another significant result of women empowerment. And also you see the children are in school. Universal primary education has almost reached. So the boys and girls in school, we were worrying whether girls will continue with the secondary school. Again, very surprising results. In secondary schools, girls outnumber boys. You see microcredit. Microcredit today almost universal in Bangladesh. 80% of the poor families have been reached with microcredit. And microcredit means credit for women. So it's nearly 100% women. In Grameen Bank, it's 97% women, and many other organizations are just about that. So women have bank balances. Women even own a bank, like Grameen Bank is owned by poor women. The borrowers of Grameen Bank own Grameen Bank. When Nobel Peace Prize was awarded, it was split in half. One half came to me, and another half went to Grameen Bank. And as owners of Grameen Bank, is the village women who are the board members of Grameen Bank went to Oslo to receive the Nobel Peace Prize. So today, through them, through these borrowers of Grameen Bank or the owners of Grameen Bank who are the recipient of Nobel Peace Prize, we have the women of Bangladesh as the Nobel laureates. So this is a singular distinction of Bangladeshi women. They are the laureates, Nobel laureates. So we have come a long way. That's a sum and substance of the whole story. But we have still a long way to go. We want women to be in every sphere, in politics, in business, in executive positions, in administrations, everywhere. And girls are showing their capabilities. If you go to the universities, you will see how in large numbers girls are in every single department, which didn't exist some 30, 40 years back. Today, they are showing up in every single professional studies and in professional fields. But we have to keep it up and make sure that they are in decision-making powers, they are in political process, they are at least half of the parliament, they are at least half of any other political institution that we have, in every single institution we have. So this is what we are looking forward to. In that context, I appreciate and I admire BASUG's activities on focusing on women in Bangladesh. I wish this conference all the success. Thank you very much.